guys, No Gas Nico. Check it out. It's finally over. This is what I'm talking about. She's back from the dealership. A little dirty, but here she is. Now, let's talk about what happened. All right, my wife just drove this car home 40 miles. She ran some errands. She went to the store. She had some returns she had to do. So anyway, she's been driving the car all around, so more than 40 miles put on this car, and we haven't plugged it in since we got home. I want you to check out the dash now. So she drove 40 miles, and it still shows 144 mile range, 70%. That's pretty good. Well, you got to remember, my wife drives primarily expressway driving, so her miles per kilowatt are rather low as compared to a lot of people that have these cars. So this is back to where it was from before my issue. So if you haven't figured out, this is my final part on the battery failure. Wasn't a battery failure, it was a cell or cells failure. Module 1 was bad. They replaced module 1. And we're back in business. We're back in business. The car is driving the way it should. I'm glad it got resolved because, as you can see, we got almost 81,000 miles on this. Less than 20,000 miles from now, we're going to be out of warranty. So I had to get this thing fixed before I ran out of warranty. So there you go. I mean, quick little update. I believe they finally got it after months and months and months. I mean, this whole ordeal probably took me 6-7 months from start to finish. Maybe 8 or 9 months from the time I got suspect of the car. I started doing my own diagnostic and then dealing with the dealership, trying to get them to realize that there was a bad cell and they weren't testing it, and being able to get Nissan on board. You can go back and watch the whole series. It was a journey to get this car fixed. But anyway, we're here. We're now where the car is working the way it should. We're back to not charging it at home, and she's gonna go back to work and charge it at work. So I'm gonna use 30%. That's going to work and running around town. So if she does that again, going back to work, she'll still have 40% battery when she gets to work. Probably only use about 20% to go 40 miles. And that was normal. She would use anywhere from 18 to 22%. My wife doesn't drive consistently, so she likes to drive fast. So if you guys are thinking, oh, that's too much, not for my wife. But anyway, gosh, she's subscribed to my channel, so she's going to hear that. Anyway, I'll just deal with it. So anyway, car's fixed. So please, if you guys watch my video so you can see what happened, how I got to this point, and how to diagnose this, and don't let up off them if they try to tell you that your battery's fine. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'm going to be putting out some other videos. I got some more product reviews to do. I'm going to start working on my solar system again, and I'm going to start highlighting EV stuff that is not battery failure related, because I believe I'm finally done with it. Hopefully this car will last a long time, but we will go into more positive stuff. My BMW i3, I'm going to start highlighting some things about that car, and we'll go from there. So again, if you like this EV content, you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, share it if you want. If you don't want, that's okay too. I don't mind. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll talk to you soon, and I'm just glad that this journey has come to a finish.